we need to clear fractions. Yes, we cannot take this the other side. You can divide by 2 over 3 both sides. Yes, it works. But I said the best way is just to multiply by this denominator. So we say that multiply both sides by what? By the denominator. So here we multiply by 2 because it was the denominator. Even here we multiply by 3 because it's our denominator. So we multiply both sides by that. What do we get? We get 2x over 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 4. What happens to the left hand side should also happen to the right hand side. Okay, so I'm left with 2x is equal to 12. Guess what happens here? What do we do? This is the situation. We divide both sides by 2. We divide both sides by 2. So let's divide both sides by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. What happens to the left happens to the right. You don't only divide the left hand side, we also divide the right hand side. So it means that my x is equal to 6. Here we go. My x is equal to 6 and I'm done. That's what I'm supposed to do there. Okay, let's have a look at this one. What do we do in this case? Like we said, remove the loose terms first. This one has -1 has nothing to do with x. So let's put it the other side. How exactly? By just throwing it that side. Like we said, half x is left. What happens when you cross the equal sign? Okay, this one is 3, is still here. What happens when you cross the equal sign? We say plus 1. And now we have half x is equal to 4. What do we do to remove this? Multiply both sides by 2 is equals to 4 multiplied by 2. And our x is going to be equal to what? 1x, that's x. Our x is equals to 4 times 2, that's 8. Yes, definitely that's the answer there. Now, when we come to this, what do we do first? Just like what we said, this one has to go to the other side. When it goes to the other side, we are going to be left with 3x over 4. This side is equals to 4. This one comes, it becomes plus 2. So 3x over 4 is equal to 6. Now what do we do here? Multiply both sides by 4 to remove fractions. So remember what we do to the left hand side. Multiply by 4 this side, multiply by 4 that side. What happens to the left hand side should also happen to the right hand side. So what are we going to be left with? Of course, we are going to be left with 3x is equal to 6 times 4, that's 24. Wow, I no longer have space here, but we need, okay, let me check. All right, so what are we doing now? We are dividing both sides by 3. That's 3x over 3 is equal to 24 over 3. And then we divide both sides by 3, like we said. Then our x is equal to 24 divided by 3 is what? Okay, it's equal to 8. So we are done here. That's what we do. So for this question, we are done. It's very important for us to know how to deal with questions of that nature. So now let's move on. How about this? Let's now talk about these are towards the end of our questions. Think yes. So what do we do here? In this case, no worries. What we just do is to collect like terms. Collect like terms. There is an x here. It needs to go to where the other x is. Let it go there. And this 2 has nothing to do with x, so let it come this side. So we have 3x left And this x is going to cross the equal sign to come to its partner. So it was plus this side, so it becomes minus. Is equal to, this one was positive 10, so it's still positive 10. This one comes, it becomes positive if it crosses the equal sign, positive 2. So 3x minus x, we get 2x is equal to 10 plus 2, we get 12, and then we divide both sides by 2, remember? And that's it. Let's divide by 2, divide both sides by 2, divide both sides by 2. And in that regard, our x is equal to 6. Nothing complicated. When you meet these situations, just collect like terms. Let's see it here. You may pause your video and then attempt it ahead of me, and then we see. Hopefully you have tried attempting this one. So let's see. So what we are going to do here is that we are going to take these other x to go to the other x. So this side you are going to be left with what? We're going to be left with this minus 10. Let it stay here. So we have minus 10 this side, equal sign. Then we have 10x this side, 10x. Then we said let's throw all this. It was plus 5x, so it becomes minus 5x. And this one was plus 4x, so it becomes what? If we throw it to the other side, it becomes minus 4x because it has crossed the equal sign as well. So this side is minus 10 is equals to 10x minus 5x is 5x. 5x minus 4x, it's x. Therefore, our x is equal to minus 10. So you can see that is very easy as long as you remember what you are supposed to do. So ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you have understood what we are supposed to do in equations. Have a great day.